Imagine the might of ancient Rome. Their military machine was legendary, conquering vast territories and defending an empire for centuries. But have you ever wondered about the fundamental unit of this power, the Roman legion, and just how many soldiers made it up? A Roman legion typically comprised between 4,200 and 5,500 men, though this number was not fixed and varied significantly across different periods of Roman history. The exact number fluctuated due to several key factors. During the Roman Republic, legions often had around 4,000 to 100 infantry, with an additional 300 cavalry. Reforms introduced by Gaius Marius around 107 before Common Era significantly standardized the legion, increasing the infantry to about 5,000 men. Under the Roman Empire, particularly during the time of Augustus, a legion generally consisted of around 5,200 to 5,500 heavily armed infantry, plus a small cavalry contingent of 120 men for scouting and communication. It is also vital to remember that legions were rarely at full strength due to attrition from battle, disease, and detachments. Furthermore, Roman armies often included a substantial number of auxiliary troops, who were non-citizen soldiers recruited from allied or conquered peoples. These auxiliaries, though not part of the legion itself, could sometimes double the total fighting force of a Roman army in the field, showcasing a more complex picture than just the legionary count. Understanding this variability is crucial for accurately interpreting historical accounts of Roman campaigns and appreciating the logistical genius required to manage such forces. When you encounter figures about Roman army sizes, consider the specific era being discussed, as legion composition was not static. This context helps you visualize the true scale and adaptable nature of Roman military power. The genius of the Roman legion lay in its highly modular and disciplined structure. The smallest unit was the contubernium, a tent group of 8 men. 10 contubernia formed a centuria of 80 men, led by a centurion. 6 centurii, or 480 men, made up a cohort, and 10 cohorts, along with a small cavalry unit, formed the full legion. This hierarchical system, perfected over centuries, allowed for incredible tactical flexibility, efficient command and control, and robust resilience even when facing larger numbers. The integration of specialized auxiliary units, such as archers or cavalry, further enhanced the legion's capabilities, adapting to diverse combat needs across the vast empire. So, while the number of soldiers in a Roman legion wasn't always one precise figure, its underlying strength came from a sophisticated, adaptable, and highly organized structure. This organizational mastery, from the smallest tent group to the full legion, was a fundamental pillar of Rome's military dominance, allowing it to project power and maintain control over an expansive and diverse empire for over 1,000 years.